Tower, Cessna 117 Tango Sierra, about 9 miles to the southeast, requesting full stop, have hotel. Cessna.
Right down. 2.
Concord Tower, Cessna 117 Tango Sierra, I'm identing. I'm losing my engine.
Who says having engine trouble?
Cessna 117 Tango Sierra. I'm sputtering in and out and losing power. I've pulled carb heat. Everything else is in the green. Looks like my oil pressure has dropped.
All right, well, you can proceed direct to the runway 117 Tango Sierra, clear to land, and I'm ready for you.
Okay, it's coming back and I'm losing it, and I'm over a residential area. I don't have a lot of places here. I have pitched for altitude.
Okay, roger that.
I have lost full engine power. I have no engine.
Roger, no engine. We got guys coming to you. I got Charlotte notified, and they're coming to you, 117 Tango Sierra.
Roger. I'm looking for a field here. I'm going to try to drop in.
Roger that.
I'm going to attempt a landing in a field right now.
117 Tango Sierra, roger. I notified Charlotte. They got people sending as soon as they can to you.
I have touchdown. Holy shit.